Update time. End of the day update time. I just finished updating the fiscal flow data off of the daily treasury statement, and I got to tell you, the flows are weak. They are getting weaker. We are now 4 billion under last year, decelerating at a rate of 0.5% year over year. As I said, I think yesterday, by this time last year, we were already 30 billion up versus the prior year. Now we're 4 billion down. There is no acceleration here. It's the opposite. It is a deceleration. I also see now in the employment and withholding tax data, which I often use as a kind of a indicator of how the labor market is, that is decelerating as well. And finally, federal tax deposits, which are, all the taxes that the government takes in, which some people might look at that as some sort of a barometer on the economy, that is decelerating as well. So all these things, these are not good developments. Now, this is what I look at. This is MMT. I look at the flows. I know there's people out there right now saying, your flows are not working. What's up with the flows? It has nothing to do with the flows. Believe me, it has everything to do with this. I am putting myself once again out there on the line. What's interesting about the environment right now, I think I have more people mocking me for this call now that I'm short than I had for people mocking me when I was buying all those dips all during the year, which I was right about. Now, let me just be very, very direct with all of you. I am going to be right. This is a correct call. The flows are weakening. This is a mini bubble we're seeing right now. It's a euphoric rise in stocks combined with massive short covering. Yesterday's rally in the S&P E-mini, you had about 136,000 drop in open interest. This is a huge short covering rally. A lot of people who bet against the market when Trump was elected, they're all covering their shorts now. So listen, I got to tell you something. This is going to be correct. This is absolute. I have no doubt whatsoever that this is going to be correct. The only thing that I think can save this, you got to see the continuing resolution. By the way, that hasn't even been passed yet in the Senate. The House passed it today, but it goes to the Senate, and there's, it might not. You might have a partial shutdown in the government, which is going to crater the flows completely. So it's getting very interesting here, folks. People this is dancing on the deck of the Titanic here. This stuff it's what it's all about. I'm going to be right once again. I tell you, I'm going to be right once again. I have no doubt whatsoever. I am 100% confident of the fact that this is going to work out the way I say it's going to work out because, this stuff drives everything. It's very simple. It's like putting gasoline in your car. If there's no gas, it's not going to go anywhere. I don't know how else to explain it. You're taking the gas out, you're siphoning the gas out, there's very little gas left. It's out, basically. And the car's going 100 miles an hour, 160 miles an hour. Forget it. It's not going to happen. I'm telling you right now. So enjoy it while it lasts. And all of you are like, I told you it was going to rally. They all jumped on board like 2 days ago and said they predicted the rally. Yeah, but I've been all year, up until the last, 3 weeks. So prepare yourself. Just saying, raise cash. There's going to be great buying opportunities down the road, but not now. Not now. I'm telling you right now. Bye.